Hi guys, I've made another video about migrating ChatWM to popos, and I came to discover that Cosmic is now on, well, it has been a while already, I think. Cosmic is on the ArcoLinux servers. That means something, right? If it's on the AOR, it's not approved by the ArcoLinux developers. It's just on the AOR, Arch user repository, user, not ArcoLinux user. So extra means yes, it's downloadable. Now, what I always do is point you to where the knowledge is. It's not at Eric's, right? It's the Arco Wiki. Go there and figure out how to install Cosmic and see if they made already a video. Well, a page. Videos is me, right? Cosmic can be installed via. Okay, that's all I need to know. I need to navigate to this website and then I know what should I type. Should I type every single thing in here? No, I should follow the wiki. Sudo pacman -s cosmic make session, right? That's that. Let's read some more. Can be installed via this or just that. Okay, sure. The shorter the better. Development version can be obtained with this, and there's some applets. AOR it says, and needs more than 8. Blah blah blah. Right? You just keep on reading, but we can launch this already in the meantime. So all of that goes on your system. What do we have now? We have XFC desktop. This virtual machine, which I installed on Wednesday, August the 14th, and now we're September 22, so of course quite a bit of updates, but no issues, and then reboot, and now Cosmic goes on there. Through a display manager, sure, GNOME, KDE Plasma, so SDM, start Cosmic. We can skip all that. It's coming from popos. That's what I've just did in the video 4261, and then the rest, yeah, looks benign, right? Okay, bye bye. Log out. You should get a choice. If not, we're in trouble. Then something is not there in user share X sessions. And this is Cosmic. Control F. Voila. I guess we better share this on YouTube, so you don't have to do it right now. Wait a few weeks, maybe months, and see if Cosmic starts. Options would be, but I'm not gonna waste my life on it, and that is right, Control F2, F1, try to get to T2Y, look in journal CTL, look in logs from X session maybe, where is it going wrong, but right, there is enough to do in the world. So no Cosmic for me for now. I've just seen it on popos. Like Cosmic, go to popos. Cheers.